How to fix Instagram post not uploading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram post not uploading on Android phone. First, open settings, scroll down until you find apps, and then click apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, click force stop, and then go to storage, clear cache, and now just go back and go to permissions, give it this permissions here, storage, click allow, and then give it all of those permissions. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and then if you can't find here update, just uninstall it and install it again, and then turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and that will help you to fix your problem. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.